inappropriate term. This is organ trafficking. A big thank you to S, who sent me a really interesting email very early this morning with a whole lot of links through to reports about Ukrainian babies and a probe around stem cells. I followed this through. I'm going to encourage people to go and look at these BBC links themselves. But here's the title. This is back in August 2005. Ukraine baby theft claims probe. Harrowing reports of babies stolen at birth and human organ removal in Ukrainian cities are being investigated by top EU body. More detail there on the right-hand side, but basically mothers are saying that they're too scared almost to go and give birth within the hospital system. Now remember, this is an investigation by the BBC, and we're on to the 31st of August 2005 here. The number 6 hospital in Kyiv hit back and said none of this is true. But if you actually read this article, you'll find that the substance of the allegations absolutely stay standing. And it's clear that the investigators that went in were not at all comfortable as to what they found, including buried remains of children where the children had literally been dissected. I'm sorry this is such a heavy subject. Here's the 12th of December 2006, BBC, Ukraine babies in stem cell probe. Healthy newborn babies may have been killed in Ukraine to feed a flourishing international trade in stem cells. And more detail here about a wall of silence when investigators went to dig into this. But towards the end of this article here, it says, a senior British forensic pathologist says he's very concerned to see bodies in pieces. So this is very, very serious accusations against what has been going on in Ukraine. And I know you have worries to date. This is 2009, and it's a Catholic journal talking about lost babies and corpses without organs, fueling allegations of trafficking in body parts in Ukraine. We're now up to February 2022. We've got GT Invest saying that you should get investing in stem cell transplant hospitals in Ukraine. Well, where are those stem cells coming from, we might ask. And if we just play this on screen, this is an advert for EmCell, which is a Ukrainian company, which, as you can see from the words on screen, pioneers of stem cell research and therapy. And they are actually claiming that they can treat a whole range of conditions from anti-aging to post-COVID-19 and many, many conditions in between. And that's their link through to their location in Kyiv, Ukraine. I did not feel comfortable about any of those reports. And from what we are reading from other sources in the present day, there are still a lot of concerns about organ trafficking within Ukraine. Alex,